Hello, athletic coaches and trainers. So today we'll be talking about adequate protein intake and why it is important for your adolescent athlete. It is important to educate adolescent athletes about adequate protein intake for several reasons. The first being that adequate protein intake is important for muscle growth and repair. Protein is essential for muscle growth, repair, and maintenance, and adequate protein intake supports the development of lean muscle mass, which is crucial for athletic performance and recovery from training sessions and competitions. The second reason why adequate protein intake is important is because of optimal performance. So, protein provides the body with necessary amino acids to support energy production and muscle function during physical activity. So, ensuring adequate protein intake can help adolescent athletes maintain optimal performance levels and sustain endurance during training and competition. The third is injury prevention and recovery. Protein plays a key role in the repair and regeneration of damaged tissues, including muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Adequate protein intake can help reduce the risk of sports-related injuries and promote faster recovery in the event of injuries by supporting tissue repair and recovery processes. We also have immune function here. So, protein is essential for the production of antibodies and immune cells, which play a critical role in supporting immune function and protecting against infections and illnesses. Adequate protein intake can help strengthen the immune system, reducing the risk of illness and allowing athletes to maintain consistent training schedules. The next one here is weight management. And so protein is highly satiating, meaning it helps individuals feel full and satisfied after meals, which can aid in appetite control and weight management. So for adolescent athletes who may have increased energy needs due to intense training, adequate protein intake can help support healthy body composition and weight management goals. We also have bone health. So, protein is important for maintaining bone health and density, especially during adolescence when bone growth and development are critical. Adequate protein intake, along with sufficient calcium and vitamin D intake, supports bone mineralization and reduces the risk of bone fractures and osteoporosis later in life. Protein participates in numerous physiological processes across the body, encompassing enzyme function, hormone synthesis, and neurotransmitter production. So, sufficient protein consumption fosters overall health and well being by guaranteeing the proper regulation and maintenance of vital bodily functions. As we get into these examples of both high protein foods, it is important to remember that your adolescent athletes are individuals with their own preferences and perhaps dietary restrictions, possibly from their own family cultures and beliefs. There are a variety of options from both animal and plant sources, and here are some examples of high protein foods from animal sources. So, as you can see, we have chicken breast, fish, milk, cottage cheese, and please reference the material in the training manual to learn specifically about the approximate grams of protein in each of these foods. Many plant-based foods also provide ample protein, along with additional benefits like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So here are some examples of protein-rich plant foods. So we have legumes, tofu, nuts, and seeds. So by incorporating a variety of these plant-based protein sources into meals and snacks, individuals can meet their own protein needs and enjoy a diverse and nutritious diet. Plant-based diets can be healthy and sustainable options for obtaining protein, especially for those adolescents who choose to follow vegetarian or vegan lifestyles. Although an individual's exact need will vary, the recommended dietary allowance, or RDA, provides a good reference for how much of a certain nutrient a healthy individual needs in a day. So the RDA for protein is about 46 grams for teenage girls and 52 grams for teenage boys per day. However, most athletes can meet these protein requirements and then some. Some research out there actually shows that young athletes consume 2 to 3 times the RDA for protein. In conclusion, teaching adolescent athletes about the significance of sufficient protein intake is crucial for bolstering muscle growth and repair, enhancing performance, averting injuries, sustaining immune function, fostering satiety and weight control, preserving bone health, and promoting overall health and well-being. Again, thank you so much for watching, and for more information, please reference the training manual and bibliography.